Here at CNN, we'll be bringing you the latest cryptocurrency news, unedited, unbiased, and unfiltered. So guys, if you like what you see, please smash the like button and subscribe. Turn on all your notifications for all latest news. So without further delay, let's get going. Okay, right, let's come back to this plan B that I've got planned for later on in the issue. We had a good weekend out there. It's been a mad weekend in the crypto space, if you're aware. The fool Elon Musk strikes again, having to and fro battles on Twitter with Michael Sayer and all the other crypto community, trying to get his voice heard. This is what happens when these megalomaniacs and psychopaths start to lose interest in the financial world, and their voice is not heard. They start coming out with all types of ludicrous things just to basically get their voice heard and their company heard. Remember, any publicity is good publicity. So that's what he's on right now. He's just putting out any garbage to get himself heard. He's bored. He wants to see how the market can move. I'm not even going to say his name. I'll call him. This is the new name for him in the crypto community. We start to call him Elon, because the real name is not even worth saying, so he gets more views. So it's Elon from now on. Yeah, the clown has been tweeting, trying to move the market, seeing what he can do by just tweeting, just basically just having fun and being a narcissist. So this is his way of having fun, just wrecking people's for financial futures. But don't worry, people. Bitcoin has been through it before and will be through it again, and it will always climb in adversity. These fools have been trying for years. Remember, JP Morgan and all the other banks were saying the same thing for years and years, and now they're buying. So just hold on to yourself. Make sure you've got them diamond hands. This is just another opportunity to buy. It is a little bit scary right now when you see everything going the wrong way, but it is an opportunity to buy. Bitcoin will suffice. It will come through this. This is just a minor blip. Just remember, a few months ago, it was trading near £24,000 at the beginning of the year. So we are still up very much. So just put things into perspective at the moment. Not much change in the top 10. Ethereum is still holding probably the best out of all the top coins. XRP is still climbing slowly as everybody anticipates the SEC's news and for XRP to settle. Cardano are still holding their number 5 spot very good, and Dogecoin has moved to number 6. It's funny how Elon manages to always shill Dogecoin at the same time. If you go on Twitter and see the ongoing war that's going on, you will see that he always manages to put Dogecoin in the message, so the price goes up. So that just tells you that he is invested in it, and obviously he wants most of the money to go to Dogecoin. Taking a quick look at the market on the right side, as you can see, as I said, it's a bad day today. That's due to Bitcoin's performance, but it is a good time to buy, and just realize that when Bitcoin does recover, all of these coins will recover with them. So it would be a good entry point for you to get in at the last stage of this bull run, or they're saying that we're halfway through, so we've got a few months left. So yeah, this will probably be a good time. Alright, moving on. So yeah, going back onto that, the Elon news. At the time of press, Bitcoin price had lost 10% on the day, and we were trading at $43,000. Ironically, this is very close to the price BTC hit after Tesla's announced of its 1.5 billion purchase of the asset in February. So as you can see right there, they're probably looking to buy more, and they brought the price down so they can add to their holdings. So I told you in the previous episode, don't watch what they say, just watch what they do, and follow the money. Bitcoin was trading at just over $50,000 at the beginning of the weekend. However, by early trading on the Asian session on Monday morning, it had lost a further 16%, dumping as low as 42k briefly. Since its all-time high on April the 14th, BTC has corrected 35%, making this the 5th and largest correction of the current market cycle. BTC if BTC fails to hold above the 40k, the message downturn appears to have been instigated by one man, and the implication that his company may have sold its BTC holdings. So yeah, it's a bit, it is discouraging that one person has so much effect on the market. But don't worry, the financial regulators are watching this, and I'm pretty sure that they're concocting a plan to hit him where it hurts in his pocket, because you even get financial regulators, you get people in the stock world, they're all losing money due to this fall. So don't worry, just watch this space and we'll keep you updated on this. So some positive news now for Cardano. Cardano is targeting billions, not millions of users, say Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson. So this just shows the scope for Cardano and why it is holding its spot, and it's basically been unaffected by this weekend's tragic performance. People are actually seeing the usage in there. That's what's actually happening now. Retail investors are getting stronger hands now. We're starting to see through the up and down FUD from these institutional investors. They're the ones that make the market move so much and can make it move up and down at will because they have more money. But obviously retail investors now, everybody else, we see the value in upcoming projects, and one of those upcoming projects that has probably one of the best scopes is Cardano at the moment. So we'll read on. So input output Hong Kong, Charles Hoskinson is emphasizing that Cardano is being built to serve billions, not millions of users around the globe. In a new video, the Cardano creator tells his 429,700 followers that the motivation behind the development of the fourth largest crypto asset is based on two key questions. So the point of Cardano is to ask, where do we need to go, or what do we need to have in an ecosystem with billion people, not an ecosystem with a million, and be able to sustainably provide a financial operating system for that. With Cardano aiming to service a significant part of the global population, Hoskinson unveils the reasons why they chose to redesign the smart contract model from the ground up. So what we decided to do is rebuild the entire smart contract model. One was because it's not secure, and you can see that with billions of dollars of customer funds that have been lost because unsecured hacker apps. Two is not sustainable cost predictability, high gas fees that applications have. Hoskinson also highlights that Cardano's smart contract model will allow millions of developers around the world to participate in the ecosystem. So basically, this is just telling you that Cardano has bigger scope from just the normal aspects of a coin. It's actually looking to change the world and bring functionality and bankability to the unbanked. Quite a big population of the world are actually unbanked. It's probably an amazing thing to meet you and me in the developed world, but a lot of the world they just deal with cash. They don't have bank accounts. So this will bring bank accounts to people's handheld devices, and therefore creating billions and billions of extra users around the world. So it's actually positive, bullish news for Cardano. Right, so just moving on to the Plan B stock to flow model. I think we brought this up before. I don't know if you've seen this before on CNN, but Plan B has actually brought out the stock to flow model to say where we actually are this time in the bull run. Now, I'm bringing this up again just to show you, because after this I'll show you on the technical analysis chart of where I actually plotted this, and it actually does tally up 100%. Not the last one, the one before the last one, and then we shot up to this level. Then we went down for the bear market. Then we shot up midpoint. We came down to this level in 2017. Then we shot up to there, and now we're down here in 2021, and we're predicted to go up to around here. Now, as you can see on, we'll move on to the BTUSD. Flick on to the 1 week. No, actually the 1 month. Right, now if you look down here on the RSI, you can see this is a representation of these peaks here. So you see these peaks here, that's the bull run for 2013, that's the bull run of 2017, and this is where we are in 2021, right? that's these three peaks here. See it there? 13, 17 and 21. Now if you get this line here of the first one and you move it to the break of the second one, that's how you would get the adjustment of the end of the bull run. And you do the same thing here, and I actually did the same thing here. So you can see, let's just grab this. You can see I measured it from here to there, and then you put it there, and that's how you gauge where we're going to go. This is where we are currently, right here. Don't know if you can see it. Let's move this out of the way. There we are. We're right here. So that corresponds with here. That's where we are. So using the same prediction model as before, you can see this is where we're likely to end up, around here. Maybe a bit more because more adoption will be met. But as you can see, everything is going as planned. Yeah. You can see the halfway bull run there and the halfway there, and it all lines up with this. Imagine that line just there. See, so we're predicted to bounce just there and go up. So you can see technical analysis does actually work, and if we follow the same patterns as before, we're still in a good position, people. It may not look like that from the outset, but if you just delve a bit deeper into things, you'll see. But obviously looking at the 1 day candle and the 4 day candle, it's not looking good at the moment, but just look at this as an opportunity to buy. Yeah, so that's a little insight into where we are at the moment. If you found it informative and gained a bit of knowledge, please slap a like on the like button. It does help the YouTube algorithm. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Press that subscribe button, please. We're trying to get these subscribers up, build a more knowledgeable community. It costs nothing. It's just a quick little click, and it will be appreciated. All right, see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.